Welcome back to Tech Insider. So today we're going to do three flagships in the Samsung line: the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra with the 120Hz display launch. Price and the specification and the display also. So it has a Samsung Galaxy S21 starts at $799. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra comes with starting price of $999 and $1,199 respectively. And Samsung Galaxy S21 series is now official after a plethora of leaks, rumors, and teasers. The new flagship range of smartphones have finally been launched by the South Korean giant at its Galaxy Unpacked 2021 event, and the new series continues the company's tradition of bringing these distinct models in its flagship smartphone series, just like the S21, S20 series launched last year. And the Galaxy S21 family consists of the regular Galaxy S21 as well as the Galaxy S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. All these three models come with an adapter 120Hz refresh rate and font and all S21 the all new camera housing that Samsung calls counter cut camera. And the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus in the series share an identical triple rear camera setup, while the S21 Ultra houses a superior quad rear camera setup with the 108 megapixel primary sensor. And the Galaxy S21 Ultra also comes with S Pen support that we don't find any other S series smartphone. The entire Galaxy S21 series includes an IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. Okay, so S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra price availability details we're gonna say today. So if you want to buy it, as told before, it's $799, $999, and $1,199 respectively. So if you want to check out the India, so Samsung Galaxy S21 price in India has been set at the $69,999 for the base 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage variant. While the 256 GB of storage options price tag is $73,999, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus starts at the price of $81,999 for the base 8 GB of RAM plus 128 GB of storage option, with the price for 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage variant set at the $85,999. It's the most premium Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra starts at the 1,05,999 for the base 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage variant with the top end 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage configuration price at rupees 1,16,999, which is very expensive in India, and $1,199 in US. And it appears this 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage variant hasn't been brought to India, but you can find it in US or UAE. So pre-order starts from the January 15, but according what I'm saying is about when it was launched. So the status which it was launched on January. So I'm saying the informations when it was January, not now. Okay, so when it was January, when it's released, it was pre-order starts from January 15. Now it is not pre-order, but it is order normal. Okay, so pre-order customers will get the Samsung Smart Tag also launched at the event, and the 10,000 rupees of the Samsung shop vouchers and redeemable against Galaxy Watch Active 2 or Galaxy Buds, and the travel adapter. Cashback up to 10,000 rupees will be available for HDFC Bank customers. Pre-orders customers get delivery from January 25th, but now it's not January 25th. It passed, and January 25th. So that time it was pre-order, but now it's really normal. It's ordering only. So whereas the regular sales start from the January 29 via Samsung.com, Amazon India, Amazon.ae, then the Flipkart, amongst other online portals, as well as via the offline retail stores. Like offline means like you'll go to shop and you'll buy it. So if you take about the US, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra S21 starts at $799. So it is roughly 58,500 rupees. Whereas the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra comes with a starting price of $999 and rupees roughly rupees 73,100 and $1,199 free. It is 87,700 rupees respectively. The phone will go up for pre-orders from January 14 on sale January 2019, but now it's not pre-order as told before right now. So I'm just telling up the information which was January, but right now it's May. So yeah, it's ordering right now, but I'm saying about January information. So the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will come in the new signature color option called Phantom Violet, whereas the Galaxy S21 Ultra gets Phantom Titanium, Phantom Navy, and Phantom Brown color options that will be exclusive to the Samsung.com website. It was launched alongside the new smartphones were the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, DWS earbuds, and Samsung's Galaxy Smart Tag. So when we talk about the specification of three flagships, the three S21 series, so S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. So S21 specification: the Samsung Galaxy S21 runs on the Android 11 with the One UI on the top and features a 6.2 inches flat Full HD Plus, a 1080 pixels by 2400 pixels, and a dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display with the 20 by 9 aspect ratio and a 421 ppi pixel densities. And it comes with the HDR10 Plus certifications, Samsung's Eye Comfort Shield, and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate that can drop to as low as 48Hz. Under the hood, the Galaxy S21 has an octa-core Exynos 2100 SoC in all markets, and along with the 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, so it's really good. Okay, so let's continue this. On the storage part, the Samsung Galaxy S21 has 128 GB or 256 GB of onboard storage options. Connectivity options include 5G, NSA both, and 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS or AGPS, NFC, and USB Type-C port with DisplayPort support. And sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensors, barometer, geomagnet sensor, a gyroscope, and proximity sensors. The phone also comes with the all ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It is in display fingerprint sensor. The Samsung Galaxy S21 packs a 4000 mAh battery that supports USB PD 3.0 fast charging, and there is also fast charging 2.0 at 10 watt, as well as a wireless power share for the reverse wireless charging. The phone measures 151.7 by 71.2 by 7.9 millimeters and weighs 171 grams and 169 grams. So let's go to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus runs on the One UI based on Android 11 and comes with a 6.7-inch flat Full HD Plus 1080 pixels by 2400 pixels dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display with the 20 by 9 aspect ratio and also a 394 ppi pixel density. And the display also includes HDR Plus supports as well as the 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and eye comfort shield. There's a Exynos 2100 SoC on the global S21 Plus version also, and the Snapdragon 888 in the US, along with the 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. The triple rear camera setup of the Galaxy S21 Plus includes the 12 megapixel dual pixel primary sensor with an f by 1.8 lens aperture and 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter and a 64 megapixel telephoto shooter with the OIS support. There is also a 10 megapixel selfie camera sensor. The preloaded camera features on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus are identical to those available on Samsung Galaxy S21. This means you will get the same super zoom 8K snap, the director's view, among other options. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus comes with 128 GB and 256 GB onboard storage options. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, AGPS, NFC, and USB Type-C port. There's also ultra wideband support. Sensors on board includes accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, gyroscope, and proximity sensor, and geomagnetic sensors. The phone also includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Samsung has provided a 4000 mAh battery capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus that supports both fast wired and wireless charging, just like the Samsung Galaxy S21. And besides, the phone measures 161.5 by 75.6 by 7.8 millimeters. It weighs 202 grams, millimeter wave, and 200 grams sub 6. So let's go to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra specification. Just like the other two models in the series, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra also runs on the Android 11 with one UI on top. It, however, features an advanced 6.8 inches edge up QHD plus 1440 by 3200 pixels dynamic AMOLED 22x Infinity O display with the HDR plus support at 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate that can go down to 10 Hz. The display of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is also equipped with the Wacom's technology to support S Pen, and users can get the note-taking experience by using existing S Pen from the Galaxy Note or Galaxy Tab, or can purchase S Pen meant for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with compatible case. The phone is powered by the octa-core Exynos 2100 SoC in global markets, Snapdragon 888 in US, paired with the 12GB and 16GB LPDDR5 RAM options. On the camera part, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra flaunts a quad rear camera setup that includes 108 megapixel sensors with a f/1.8 lens and OIS support. The camera also carries a 12 megapixel dual pixel sensors with f/2.2 lenses and a 10 megapixel camera sensor with the f/2.4 telephoto lens and OIS support, and another 10 megapixel sensor with the f/4.9 telephoto lens and OIS support. The former telephoto lens supports 3x optical zooms, while the latter one has a 10x optical zoom. There is also the latter autofocus sensor for the enhanced results. Further, the camera supports 100 times space zoom. For selfies and videos, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has 40 megapixel camera sensor at the front with the f/2.2 lens. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra comes with the 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage options. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, GPS, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-C port. You will also get UWB support, and sensors on board includes accelerometers, ambient light sensors, barometers, geomagnetic gyroscope, Hall, and proximity sensors. There's also an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The Samsung has offered 5000 mAh battery capacity on the Galaxy S21 Ultra that supports USB PD 3.0 and wireless charging 2.0 for fast wired and wireless charging. The phone measures 165.1 by 75.6 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs 229 grams millimeter wave or 227 grams sub 6. In the end of the Samsung Galaxy Note series, as we know it, we discuss the orbitals, and you can get so many things in the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So when we talk about the rating of Samsung Galaxy S21, I am saying I'm rating for design 8 out of 10, display 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 for software, 10 out of 10 on performance, battery life 8 out of 10, camera 9 out of 10, value for money 8 out of 10. So the good about Samsung S21 is its compact, good performance, capable camera, and for the bad, it is polycarbonate back, average battery life, no bundle charger. And for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, it is 8 by 10 design, 8 by 10 display, 9 out of 10 software, 10 out of 10 performance, battery life is 8 out of 10, camera is 9 out of 10. Value for money is 8 out of 10. So good performance, capable camera, decent battery life. But bad is that no bundle charger, lacks curved edge QSD plus display. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a design is 8 out of 10, display is 10 out of 10, the software is 9 out of 10, battery life is 9 out of 10, camera and performance is 10 out of 10, and value for money is 8 out of 10. All the three series have 8 out of 10. And superb display, solid battery life, excellent telephoto cameras, very good performance. But bad thing is that ads in some first party apps expensive, heats up under stress, heavy and bulky. So